Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we have some crafty solutions for all of you who struggle to find the perfect way to hang your pants. Let's dive into your clever pants hack, 3 creative ways to hang them. So guys, first up, the classic hanger trick. Simply fold your pant in half lengthwise and drape them over one side of the hanger. This not only saves space but also prevent unsightly creases. It's perfect for those tight closet and limited storage area. Plus you can easily see all your pants at once. Next, let's talk about shower curtain hook. Yes, you heard it right. Grab a set of shower curtain hooks and slide them onto a sturdy clothes rod. Now take your pant and fold them over the hook parts of the shower curtain hooks. Hang as many as you like and you will have an organized and easy to access pant collections. No more digging through piles. And guys, lastly we have a thrifty solutions. You use a carabiner clip or a large paper clip to hang your pant. Simply attach the clip to the basement of your pant and hook it onto your clothes rod. This method is great for both jeans and dress pant, and it's a costing effective way to keep your closet tidy. And there you have it, our 3 clever ways to hang pant. We hope you found these hacks helpful and that they make your daily routine a little easier. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks. See you in the next video guys. Till then, bye, take care and thank you for watching my video.